What's up everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J here with a quick eye tutorial. I just wanted to give you guys a simple look that you can do if you want to have like really fancy looking eyes but not spend that much time on it. Plus I promised you guys a tutorial with this Chanel eye quad. This is the eye quad in Road movie, so this is the focal point of my eye look, but I did incorporate other eyeshadows into the look that you see here. It's one of my signature looks where we do a really neutral eye and a pop of color down on the lower lash line. Plus, I wanted to do a pop of color on the lips to match the accent color of my outfit. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now let's go in with the palette. So I'm going to take this ombre shade first with my Tom Ford number 13 brush. And I am going to fluff this in my upper crease. And this is going to be my transition shade. So just back and forth. I'm going to go in with a more neutral colored bone color. And I'm going to dip into Cocoa Mirage and take this shade. You guys can see it. And I'm going to take this color. Tap your brush. And I'm going to place this on my lid. So I'm just going to tap this. Like so. And I'm just going to take it all the way across. I actually am going to go back in with a little bit more of that ombre color and just re-establish it on the lid, if you will. And go back and forth, kind of take a little bit of that, dust it on the outer corner and bring it up. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of Nylon by MAC on that inner corner. Just to open that eye up and blend it over. Before I do anything else, I want to go ahead and add on my concealer and finish off some other areas on my face, and I'll be back and we can finish this look together. Okay, now let's finish off the eye. So I'm going to go back with Nylon and a pencil brush, and let's pop that on the inner corner on the lower lash line. Back with the Chanel quad, I'm going to go in with this tealish color. Very carefully, let's put this on the middle on the lower lash line. Make sure you connect it to Nylon. Leave a little bit of space. And just slowly build that up. And lastly, I'm going to take this color and lightly connect it to the top. And here is the final look. I will have all details of what's on my face listed down below. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have not already, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will check you guys in my very next video. Make sure you let me know what you want to see down below in the comment section. Smooches. Bye.